up guys, my name is Andrew and I'm from Options Army and welcome back guys to my channel. So today is Friday and due to your requests, here I'm with my latest video update regarding Automated Crypto System, this trading software right here. So guys, a lot of you wanted to know what trades I am placing and what's actually the current progress, okay? So in this video I'm going to show you my current trades, my current profits and my live trades as well. So we're going to take a look at live trading as well, and I'm going to show you how how successfully and how properly use these signals. Because I got a lot of emails from people who who are lost and who really don't understand how to place these trades. So I will try to cover these issues and these things in this video as best as I can. Okay guys, so first let's take a look at some profits, let's take a look at some progress and what's going on, and then I'm going to show you how to place those trades, because I still get a lot of emails from people who are not aware how to place those trades from the platform, and also how to place those trades by using the signals. So first of all, as you can see right here, so these are my trades guys right here that are still running. So I have 10 trades open guys, and as you can see there are a couple of reds, but I'm gonna explain you guys. So as you can see there, I have the green ones are in a profit, and these trades are still running live in front of your eyes, generating profits and losses live. But guys, as you know guys, that software itself is really accurate. Those signals provided here on the dashboard are really accurate. And why I'm showing you the brokers platform is because when the trades are still running, the only way to look at the profit and loss for that particular trade will be when you look at the brokers platform. And I'm going to show you. For example, look at this. So this is the 24 options in a dashboard of the Automated Crypto System. And as you can see, for these trades we can't really, for these trades we can't see the actual profit and loss for these trades, okay? Because they are still running within a platform. And probably due to regulations or something, well, they're not able to show the profit and loss for that trade on a dashboard. However, it's possible, obviously, to see it from your broker's platform, okay? So let's take a look at these trades. So we have we have 10 trades running, okay? 10 trades running, and so this is my broker right here. That's my trading number on the top there. Let's just take a look at the profits, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3 winning, 4, 5 winning. This one at the moment is losing one. GBP, JPY, with this buy trade, and I checked the charts, and there is a really major resistance being approached. So it's gonna be a reverse. It's gonna reverse really soon. And I hope that it's gonna generate me profits as well. And now here we have really interesting part, okay? Here we have 3 crazy losses, okay? Crazy losses. Not really, guys. So for those, if you place the trade from the trading software, okay? And first of all, you will most likely for few first minutes, okay, you will see that your trade is red, losing due to the margin. But don't worry about that much, because as you can see, for example, here we have losses. But what are the losses? 15 cents, 39 cents, and minus 47 cents. And these are the cryptocurrency pairs. And the thing is this: why do we have these small cents? And so this basically means that these trades are at zero level. At zero level. Well, minus 15 cents, minus 30 cents. That's not considered as a loss. It's considered as it's basically it's standing at zero level. Why? Well, guys, because there is not enough volatility in a cryptocurrency market. The Bitcoin went down and now it's stagnant. Now it kind of stays at its level, and due to that fact that everything is everything now is kind of frozen in stock when it comes to cryptocurrency market. Other cryptocurrencies are stagnant as well. So there is everything is on a hold up now. Nothing is moving, and when Bitcoin is not moving, none of the other cryptocurrencies are moving as well. So this is perfectly evidently can be seen here. Look at these profits: minus 16 cents now, minus 40 cents. It's at zero level, guys. And there is no volatility in the cryptocurrency market. Therefore, I would recommend you guys to focus on forex, okay, at the moment. because now they have these forex pairs, which they didn't, they didn't have that many forex pairs firstly, when I did the first video, but now, however, they have many forex pairs. So I would advise you guys to trade with these forex pairs, which will be more profitable for you, for sure. Why it will be more profitable for you? Well, guys, because there is no volatility in the cryptocurrency market, and if there is no volatility, there is no options for us to make any money. Of course, we can make money when the markets goes down, and we can also make money when markets goes up. But when there is no volatility due to the Bitcoin, well, there is no point, to actually place the trade and then be waiting. Just don't trade cryptocurrencies at the moment. Let that bear run, consolidate, and let's watch what Bitcoin will do. But we don't need to trade Bitcoin, because as you can see, what were my most profitable trades? My most profitable trade was these ones, the the forex currency pairs. Yes, I know I have one Bitcoin trade, Bitcoin against USD, and it generated me already 370 euro profit. And as you can see, it's live, so it's going up and down. But these are really great. This is a great trade, so nearly 400 euro profit. But guys, I don't recommend you to trade cryptocurrencies. As you can see, forex is generating nice profits even on short time periods, But yeah, however, I'm gonna still leave these cryptocurrency pairs there. I know, it's at 0 level, so anyway, I'm gonna leave it. Also, I have this Stellar against USD. As you can see, 88 cents profit. It's 0 level, so I'm gonna leave these 4 still running. However, I'm going to closely watch the markets. Okay. So yeah, so these are my profits for now. So let's talk about how to place these trades. So you have 2 options. One option is here, one option is here to place the trade manually. So here you simply add how much you want to trade. Okay. So how much you want to invest for a trade. So if you invest if you are just starting off, guys, then obviously I would advise you to not invest more than $25 to $50. Okay, it depends what's your trading strategy. If you have a low account, then obviously you don't want to invest more than 5-10% from your account into a one trade. So that comes to risk management. So don't invest more than 5 to 10% in one trade. And yeah. And also, guys, so here, so then when we place this, simply you click here on the trade button, and when you do that, it's gonna automatically appear here on this dashboard right here with the open trades, as you can see right here. Yeah, but it's gonna not show you the profit and loss. For that, we need to go and look at more brokers platform. Okay, so these are live trades. Now comes the these trades I'm gonna probably close myself. So how do you, if you want to close your trades before take profit levels are reached? So first of all, what are these signals? How we understand these signals? So I'm gonna explain you. So each of this thing is one signal. So Euro JPY is one signal. This is one signal. So as we can see, we have 5 signals in front of us right now. To place any of these signals, simply enter the desired investment amount and click on trade button. After that, that trade will be placed on your broker's platform, which you can check afterwards on your broker's platform, obviously. And now pay attention closely to these signals. It gives you the description of the signal, which you need to know. So TP stands for take profit level. It means if I was going to, for example, if I was going to place this trade for Euro JPY with success ratio of 77.24%, the entry price is 128.1995. The take profit level, which is TP level, is 132.90, which means that after I place the trade, after I place this trade, this is a call trade, as you can see, this is a buy trade, arrow goes up, this is a buy trade, okay? So after I place this trade, if the currency will go in price up to 132.90, the trade is going to be automatically closed with the profits, and the profits will be added to my balance. Now, SL level. What is SL level? SL level is a stop loss level, meaning that after I place the trade, just in case if the trade goes not up but wrong direction, means I will be losing some money, yes, but I'm not gonna lose all my money, you know. I'm gonna lose only as much as when the price will hit as low as 124.56. You know, it's gonna, if it goes that direction, it's gonna hit this level and it's gonna close that trade and it's gonna get rid of that trade. And I will be in loss of some, I don't know, 20, 30, 40, $50, depends on your investment amount. Yeah, so take profit level, stop loss level. So now let's go to the pro, okay? So in case you're an experienced trader and you know what you're doing, which you know I hope you do, we want to also check the chart sometimes, just in case if you this is for only for experienced traders. So if you invest larger amounts, then obviously you want to make sure that your trade is good, okay? You need to ensure that the price, you know, has decent potential of growing, you know, of growing your profit and loss, and you need to make sure that particular trade, you know, is decent in terms of going the right direction. This comes with support and resistance strategy, which you know, if you haven't seen, please watch my previous videos. But basically, the long story short, guys, the take profit level and stop loss level are those levels which we can modify anytime we want. So for example, after I place the Euro JPY trade, I can go and I can look for that trade, you know, again I offer my brokerage platform because it's not gonna allow me to do it here, where it is, yeah, and here I can modify it, here and you can modify it easily by clicking on where it says set SL or set TP. Click on it and modify it anytime you want, as well as your take profit level. Click on it, modify it anytime you want by clicking here. So close at loss, the price, the rate. So close at what rate is here. So here you specify at what price rate you want this trade to close in case if this trade goes wrong direction after you placed the trade. And this one is here you can change and modify your price rate of when you want to take the profit, okay? When you want to take the profit. So at the moment to take, you know, so these are the, yeah. So at the moment these trades are running, but you can modify these anytime, and when you do that, simply click on submit, okay? Now guys, I really want you to ask me, Andrew, so what are the best take profit and stop loss levels? Because if you ask these questions, then you are on the right track. If you don't ask these questions, then you know, you're not on the right track, because you really need to know which are the best take profit and stop loss levels after you place the trades, you know. Yeah, so as you know, these are accurate. Yes, we tested these, you know, already for a while. These guys are accurate. But sometimes, you know, as I always tell you, there are a lot of news during the day. You know, for example, if I place Euro JPY trade, buy trade, okay, meaning that I will only make money when this Euro is against JPY is going up, okay. But what's gonna happen if during that time, you know, right now, after I place the trade, if there is gonna be negative news release, negative fundamental statement or news being released, it's going to impact Euro negatively, you know, so it means it could go down. So for these guys, you make sure that you sometimes you go and you check your for long term profits, guys. Okay, so this is for if you want to leave this for about 1-2 days. Okay, make sure you check what's going in the market, and make sure this only again for longer term trades. If you plan to trade, you know, to take a profit according to these levels, and then you should not be worried about much, because these are short-term momentum positions. But if you want to leave these trades for 1-2 days, number one, make sure you check economic calendar. You go to investing.com, click on news, click on economic calendar, choose your time zone, and make sure there are no triple news regarding your asset that you trade. That's thing number one. And thing number two is yeah, set your take profit and stop loss levels accordingly. How we do it, I'm going to show you quick, really easily. So let's go to chart now, okay? Because without chart, how can I show you? For example, what is this? euro USD, is it? So yeah, so for example, if you have placed the trade, okay, then you know that, for example, this is my chart. If I placed the call trade, if I placed buy trade, if I placed this buy trade, I will, by saying that the price will go up, I know that this, for example, is my next resistance, okay? So my take profit level should be around 5 to 10 pips below the resistance, okay? About 5 to 10 pips below the resistance, which means that if the price will go this direction, it's gonna go here to my take profit level, and it's gonna close trade, and I'm gonna take these profits away. Why? Because when the price touch my resistance, most likely the prices are reversing, okay? But if the price will reverse, it means I'm gonna lose money. I don't want to do that. That's why I really want to make sure that my take profit level is set at least 5 to 10 pips below the resistance, which means I'm gonna take profits here. In case if the price, never reaches the resistance, sometimes the market, sometimes the bear market could be pushing from my price down crazily, and there will be opportunities for the price to actually touch that resistance level. That's why we want to take profits 5-10 pips below. Yeah guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. So guys, please trade safely, trade responsibly, enjoy your profits, check your charts, don't place some crazy amount of trades. Make sure that 5 to 10% of your investment you invest in one trade, not more than that. And yeah guys, so if you have any questions, any issues, please email us. And also make sure that you read our full review from our website, okay, the link will be below the video. Yeah, so it's free secure registrations, link is below the video if you're interested. And see you guys again next time. Bye.